So the 3 T20 Torx bit screws holding the blower motor in place. You can see one here in the mirror. It is up underneath here. There's another one further back, right in line with the connector in the back corner back here. And then there's another one on the back side. So let's go ahead and get those removed. I'm going to go ahead and remove this sill plate here using one of your trim tools. Pop that underneath. And you're going to pop this up. Once you pop this off, now I'm going to go ahead and remove this Phillips head screw right here, and then we're going to go ahead and pull this trim panel off. Using our 10mm wrench, ratchet, whatever you have, I'm going to go ahead and remove these two mounting bolts here. Go ahead and rest this down. Now that we have all 3 screws removed, you should be able to go ahead and grab that blower motor, pop that down. And this will give you better access to the connector on the back side here. This has a little pinch tab on the back side of it, so we're going to go ahead and pinch that tab and pull that connector off. Go ahead and work this blower motor out. Let's go ahead and get that blower motor lined up. Pull the connector off to the side and get this unit lined up inside. I'm going to go ahead and start putting the screws in first. And try and get our back screw installed. Get that started by hand. Get that in. And then we'll get our other screw in the back lined up. And you just want to snug these. You don't want to over tighten them because it's just going into plastic. And we just want to hold that blower motor in place. Once you feel a little resistance, you can stop. You can go ahead and grab that connector, line that up. Work that right in. You should be able to press it in until you hear it click. there's the click. Now we'll go ahead and reinstall this unit here. Install your plastic clip down below here. You line this up and that presses in to a hole down below here. Let's go ahead and tighten those down. These metal retainers had popped off. They're supposed to be attached to the plastic trim panel. You want to take those, line these up, press them on like so. Snap that on, and then take your Phillips head screw that we had popped out earlier, line that up into the trim base, screw that back in. Next, grab your sill plate, take your little clips and your pins, line them up into place.